The top 3. How car factories work. Step by step. Did you know your car was basically built by robots, and the whole process takes less time than a Netflix binge? First, the body shop. Giant robotic arms weld together sheets of metal into the car's skeleton. It's like watching Transformers in real life. Every spark you see is a new piece coming together with insane precision. Next, the paint shop. This isn't just a color spray, it's a chemical science lab. The car gets dipped, electrocoated, painted, and baked, all to survive years of sun, rain, and road salt. And guess what? The air has to be cleaner than a hospital operating room to avoid a single speck of dust ruining the finish. Then comes final assembly. That's where they install the engine, the seats, the dashboard, everything you actually touch. Workers and robots tag team to get it done, and some factories can finish a car every 45 seconds. And here's the wild part. Countries like Russia, the US, and Saudi Arabia hold most of the natural resources, iron, aluminum, oil used to make cars. Without them, your dream ride would never even hit the blueprint stage.